How to make heavy cargos, not press light ones. Let's see how to set stacking orders in the template to achieve that. First, get the cargo template. Copy and paste the cargo dimension to the template. Locate the column of stacking orders. The stacking orders is a relative value. The larger the value, the stronger the loading capacity, and it will be placed lower in the container. Stacking orders can be set according to different standards, the gross weight or density or packaging style of the cargo, which would affect the loading capacity of cargoes. Set this column according to their weight. The heavier, the larger value. The lighter, the smaller the value. We can set a range, and the cargoes whose weights belong to this range have the same stacking orders. For example, from 0 to 10 kilograms, the stacking orders is 10, from 10 to 20 kilograms, the stacking orders is 20, from 70 to 80 kilograms, 80, and so on. Then save the template and import it to the software. Add the container. Then click Loading Result. We can see from the 3D load plan that cargoes are loaded strictly according to their weight. Heavy ones are loaded lower than light ones. To learn more about LoadMaster, please watch other video tutorials. Or try by yourself at http://loadmaster.biz. A 30-day full-featured free trial is waiting for you.